Hello, this is my video assignment for the HTML coding assignment, Introduction and Submission. Uh, we can go down here and see what's required. I need at least 3 pages with links that navigate between all of them. I need 2 different size headers, a list, 3 images, a table, and a form. And if we go to the site, and you can see right here, I have 3 pages and 3 links that navigate between them. And on the homepage or in index.html, I have the 3 images. I set their width to 33%, so it takes 100% of the um, available space. And underneath the 3 images, I have a form with a first name, a last name, an email, and a checkbox, and a submit button. I wrapped each individual input into a div so that they're on their own line. It was mostly for a styling purpose, for no other use really. Each input has its own label that serves to also click and describe the input. They are all functional, and I made them all required so that they need to be filled out before the form is submitted. If we go to the next page, it'll be the page where I made the list. There's 2 lists. There's one with an unordered list that lists my hobbies in no particular order. And then there's one with an ordered list that has a list of my favorite ice creams in order from most favorite to least favorite. But they're all my favorite. Um, each list also has its own heading, which is an H2. So we have the H1 for the page title, and then we have the H2 for each list. If we go to the final page, it'll be the table. In the table, we have an H2 to describe the purpose of the table. It's a table of classes. Um, in the table, we have 4 table rows. The first table row contains the table headers. So it'll have the class name, the professor, the grade, and the start time. And then if we go to the subsequent table rows, it'll have the information for the headers. So one example would be this first row where it has class name of physics with the professor called Guillaume with a grade of B and a start time of 8 a.m. And then the next row has computer science with a professor called Russell with a grade of A that starts at 2 p.m., etc. Other than that, that's the table. And then again, it has the H1 and the links navigating to all the other portions of the site.